Yo, what's going on everyone, and welcome back to another video here on the channel. And today we are back at Walt Disney World, but more specifically the Magic Kingdom, to do one thing and one thing only, and that is to ride Tron right here behind me. So it's looking like it is a roller coaster, and basically how this works is exactly the same as Guardians of the Galaxy over at Epcot. So you've got to book on, we booked on it 1 PM, join a virtual queue basically, and then they give you a group. And then when your group's called, you head straight on the ride. So depending on how long you wait, I mean, we have done Guardians of the Galaxy before this one, and we ended up queuing like 4 hours for it virtual, and then like an hour just physical standing in there. So we'll see what this one's like. Hopefully it's a little bit better, it's not too long, and it's sort of similar to that one. But I don't actually think we've been, I mean, we probably have been queuing again 4 to 5 hours for it in virtual time, but yeah, looking forward to getting on Tron today. And as always, Maze is here to experience Tron with me.
Right, so obviously I also need to experience this ride. You know, it must be very popular, it's on a virtual queue, you know, one of the newest, and it looks like a pretty decent sized coaster. I don't know whether it's going to be that intense when we're on it, but it looks like we're on some sort of motorbike or something. So it looks good. I mean, I think it's definitely worth getting on, especially because it's not, once you actually get on the ride, you're not waiting too long, probably just up to an hour maximum. So yeah, I think that's all that's left to do is for me to experience the ride, and I can tell you what I thought to it after. But yeah, really excited to get on Tron, and I'll pass you back over to Miss.
So we're going to take you on there again with the GoPro, just like we did with Guardians of the Galaxy, to give you all a POV on ride, in case obviously you haven't done it, or if you have, just to rewatch it and basically relive it all. So we're going to head on Tron now, and then we'll give our full review when we get off and we have experienced it.
Users, prepare to be digitized into the world of Tron.
And only use locker space that your party requires. Remember your unit number.
Here we are, Maze, are you ready?
Oh, ready for this one, it looks good.
Ready to ride Tron.
TRON Lightcycle Run.
Here we go.
Remember, hold on.
Looks very good, this coaster does.
And face forward.
It's a launch coaster, you ready, mate?
Oh, ready for this one.
Here we go.
Initiate in 3, 2, 1.
Here we go!
Congratulations, users. A championship performance and victory for Team Blue.
Oh, I think that's it.
Yeah, I think that's it, yeah.
Oh. days to start up.
Users, watch your step as you dismount and exit. Be sure to collect your belongings.
Well, that was Tron. Very, very good ride actually. A bit different to what I expected. Like, I didn't actually know it was a launch coaster. So very, very good. Was glad I didn't know if it was like going to be a multi-launch, but there was just one single launch in there right at the start. But quite a bit of theming in there as well, like with the lights and stuff. I mean, I've not actually watched Tron, so don't really know what it's fully based on. There it is again. Like, I believe it's a sci-fi movie, but not actually sure what it's based on. So, in the inside bits where it was like the indoor roller coaster, it was they had like the lights and I think sort of different portals. I don't know. And then the first bit where you have the launch brings you out here where we are stood now, where everyone can see you. But very, very good. What do you think, Twin Maze?
To be fair, I wasn't actually expecting there to be a ride that sort of big. I mean, it's not like mega high or anything. It's just like obviously a launch, maybe a bit more like sort of a Rita, but there was a few drops and it was a bit longer as well. But yeah, it was like you say, it was a very smooth ride. I was on our bikes.
Yeah. So you're sitting a motorbike, basically exactly the same as Velocity at Flamingo Land. You're like facing down, aren't you, in your motorbike?
Yeah.
So
so it was really good. I really enjoyed it, and I've also not watched Tron. Maybe we'll have to give that one a watch.
Yeah, I can't believe it. Not watched Guardians of the Galaxy, but we've done the ride.
Yeah.
Not watched Tron, but we've done the ride. So at least we can say we've done the rides.
Yeah, I think we've got some catching up to do.
Yeah. Here it comes again. There we go. But definitely Magic Kingdom's biggest ride here now. Like, because I mean, it's you can sort of compare it to Space Mountain a little bit, but this is definitely bigger than Space Mountain. Yeah. But it's good we can take you on for a POV as well there. Got some good footage on the video for you all. But that is it. That is Tron, and that is our review of it. We've been lucky to get on these actually, Tron and Guardians of the Galaxy, because sometimes we don't always get on them, and we have been booking on it like 1 o'clock as well in the afternoon. So there was a morning slot at 7 AM, weren't it?
Yeah, it was, yeah. So so the internet's treated us well here at Disney.
Definitely
managed to get on it.
But yeah, while we're here, we might as well, and it's been good to experience both virtual queuing coasters. And next time we come, we'll have to see if there's still virtual queuing. So if you all did enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And as always, thank you all so very much for watching. I'll see you all in the next one.